Good morning from Groundworks Coffee in Hollywood. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Yesterday, farm animals received the most comprehensive protection law in Massachusetts and a horrible law promoted by factory farming was defeated in Oklahoma. Yes, yes! Voters across Massachusetts outlawed battery cages, veal cages, and gestation cages. 6.75 million hens raised each year in that state will get better living conditions. Yes! Oklahoma rejected the Right to Farm Amendment sponsored by factory farming interests. Environmentalists, concerned communities, and citizens came together to protect animals from awful conditions in Oklahoma. Yes! Thank you to all those who work ceaselessly on behalf of the animals. Hashtag plant-based diets. Hashtag compassion. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, drrese.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button and pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life, the wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.